Welcome back to another of my YouTube video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a circle to pass through 2 points. First, I will draw 2 points. To do that, type point, P-O-I-N-T, enter. Left click where you want a point to be, that's 1 point. Right click, repeat point, repeat point. My second point, I want my second point to be here. Now, draw a circle to pass through these 2 points. I simply type circle, type C for circle, enter. If you look down here, the command bar will give me some options. It says 3P, 2P, TT, or my next step is to choose 2P as I want 2 points. I then left click here, then left click there. And that is it. I have now created drawn a circle to pass through 2 points. My next step is to change my outline layer. So I left click here, go to outline, click on that. Then add my dimension to it. I change my dimension layer, go up to dimension drop down. In this case, I want a radius. So I click on radius. I then left click on the circumference, left click here, and drag. My circle is drawn from a distance of 2 points. I could also dimension the distance between both points by left clicking there, left click here. Um, Left click here, left click there. And just like that, the distance between both centers is now established. This could also be done by using well, probably not. I think 2P is the ideal command to use.